Want to level up your immune system and stay healthy year-round? Forget boring advice. Today, we're revealing 5 science-backed foods that can turbocharge your immune system, plus a jaw-dropping scientific tip at the end that most people don't know. Stay tuned. You won't want to miss it. Let's jump right in. First up, Brazil nuts. Just one nut a day can give your immune system a huge boost. Why? They're packed with selenium, a mineral proven to supercharge white blood cells, your body's infection-fighting army. Research shows that people with higher selenium levels recover faster from colds and flu. Pro tip: sprinkle chopped Brazil nuts over oatmeal or salads for a tasty health boost. Think oranges are the best source of vitamin C? Think again. Red bell peppers pack 3 times more vitamin C than oranges, boosting antibody production and keeping you flu-free. Add them to stir-fries, salads, or simply snack on them raw. You're fueling your immune system with every bite. Next up, pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are zinc powerhouses, a key mineral that helps activate immune cells. Studies show that boosting your zinc intake can help your body fight infections faster and reduce cold symptoms. Snack on roasted pumpkin seeds or sprinkle them on your favorite dishes. They add a satisfying crunch. Next up, garlic. It's nature's antibiotic. Garlic contains allicin, a compound with antiviral and anti-inflammatory powers. Research proves that people who eat garlic regularly get sick less often and recover faster when they do. Add roasted garlic to soups, pastas, or even toast. It's a tasty way to build your defense system. And lastly, ginger. This spicy root is more than just a tea ingredient. It's a natural inflammation fighter. Studies show that ginger can boost immune function and even reduce symptoms of respiratory infections. Add fresh ginger to your smoothies, teas, or stir-fries for a zesty immune boost with every bite. So, there you have it, 5 powerful foods scientifically proven to supercharge your immune system. Add these to your diet for a healthier, more resilient you. But wait, here's that bonus immune-boosting tip. Get enough magnesium before bed. Studies show that magnesium plays a key role in regulating your immune system. It supports the production of T cells, the frontline soldiers that fight infections. Plus, magnesium helps you sleep better, and quality sleep is one of the most powerful ways to keep your immune system in peak condition. Add magnesium-rich foods like almonds, spinach, or dark chocolate to your evening snack. Or, consider a relaxing magnesium bath soak before bed. Your immune system will thank you. Boosting your immune system has never been easier with these 5 science-backed foods that can turbocharge your body's natural defenses. Incorporate them into your meals to stay healthier and feel your best year-round. If you loved this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing tips coming your way. And before you go, don't forget to check out our other videos here for more expert-approved, science-backed health hacks that could change your life, improve your well-being, and help you thrive every day.